Hi guys, in this video I will show you how we can add the activity indicator in alert controller. Okay, so for example here I'm pressing login button. You can see activity indicator is visible there. Okay, so go to your application view controller that you created the alert controller. Otherwise you can create a new one, UIAlertController, provide in the title and message, style and presenting it. Before you are going to present the alert controller, you have to create a new activity indicator. We can say let activity indicator is equals to UI activity indicator view. Now in the parentheses we can pass in the style. So style, let's say medium. Alright, so the next step we can go ahead and say activity indicator dot translates auto resizing marks into construct. So a boolean value that determines whether the view auto resizing marks is translated into auto layout constraints. So don't forget to set that equals to false. Okay, and the next step is say activity indicator dot start animating. Alright, so now you have to use your alert controller name. Here I have alert login UI alert controller. So we can go ahead and say UI alert controller name. Here I have alert login dot view, then say add subview. So in the parentheses we have to pass in this activity indicator. Okay, now we can go ahead and run this, but we will see some margins issues. Let me go ahead and show you that. If we are not going to provide constraints, so the activity indicator will be aligned very left to the alert controller. Here you can see what we will do. We are going to move this activity indicator a little bit to the bottom and to right. For that we can say here, before we are going to present the alert controller UI alert controller, but after adding it to the view as a sub view to the alert controller, we are going to say activity indicator dot leading anchor is equals, no, we have to say constraints. Now in the parentheses we can say the equal to our alert login, this UI alert controller dot view dot leading anchor. Okay, now as the value we can pass in 20. Now don't forget to set this active. You can say is active as true. Okay, so here we have another error. I have to provide the argument name which is constant here. Okay, now we have to move our activity indicator to little bit down. For that we can say activity indicator dot top anchor dot constraint. Now in the parentheses, first argument is equal to, we can say alert login dot view dot top anchor. As the constant, we can say something like 10. Okay, I will include this full code in the video description so you can easily access that. Let's go ahead and run the application. I forgot to set that active. Before running, we had to say is active of this top anchor true. Okay, now I'm going to enter something. Here we can see the activity indicator is visible in our alert controller. Now in any case, when you finish loading or signing in or fetching data or sending data, you can go ahead and say self dot dismiss animated as true. So what happened when we add that to below? Yeah, let's see, it should be dismissed. Actually it will not have any time to load. That means it will instantly show and will get dismissed immediately. Yeah, you can see like that. You can continue. Right, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.